These guys over here are barred owls. The barred owl scientific name is Strixivus virea. Uh, barred owl. Barred owls are highly vocal with a wide range of calls. They are much more likely than other owl species to be heard in the daytime. They call all their call sounds like they are saying, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you for all you?" Barred owls reside in mature forest with trees that have large cavities and a water source nearby. Their prey consists of small mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and invertebrates. Barred owls nest in natural tree cavities or man-made boxes. They will lay 1 to 4 eggs, and the young will leave the cavity at just 1 month old.